Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, I have 2 days worth of garage sale hauls. I haven't done this for a while. I did have a little bit of footage at the beginning, but I'm going to kind of show you everything. And then as I do the video, I'm going to pop up, if I list the item on eBay, what I listed it for. So it'll either be on this side or this side, a screenshot as I'm talking. So the first item is inside this, and I thought it was like an egg. And then this tucks into the body. The reason I picked it up is because it had the little symbol here, which is Jurassic World. And it's by Mattel. I don't see a date or anything like that. And I don't think it's a puppet. I just think you stuff this in there and then it comes back into, maybe you can leave the head out like that, like a little egg with its head out. I don't know. I'll have to research it. But this was $1. So I figure even if it's a $10 item, it's super cute. So there's that. Another thing I love picking up, and I have not researched these, but they're loveys. And if you find one of these and there are none listed, list them high because people look for these. This one says, "Guess how much I love you." I don't know if that's from a book. Now, the bad thing about this, it's missing the tag, but that's okay. I can definitely Google Lens it. Someone will still buy it. I don't know if this is a big money one or if it's just a regular one, but I think these were 50 cents a piece. So again, didn't spend a lot of money on it. At the very least, it's a nice bread and butter and really easy to list, easy to ship. This one is by Carter's and it's a little bunny. So again, I'll be popping the listings up of how I listed them. This one is a little panda. This one's smaller. This one's by Kid Gets, Kidgets. Never heard of that. So again, 50 cents a piece. I'm picking them up. They're easy to list, easy to ship. This one is awesome. I bet this one's at least 20 bucks, but I don't know. It's a sloth and it's Hallmark. Is that not stinking adorable? And it is so soft. So there's that one, 50 cents a piece. I grabbed this little guy. He is under the Nile and it's certified organic cotton. And it just is intriguing. It's a baby toy. And this was 50 cents also. This one, I'm not sure if I'm going to list it or not, but it's a little dirtier than I thought. So I'll probably run this through the washing machine. I don't know. The tag looks a little dirty. So being that it's a baby toy, I think I'm just going to donate that one. So that was a bad buy, but it was 50 cents. This one here is, I don't know what this is, a book. It's a little book and it needs cleaned up a bit as well. Your flappy ears. I don't know. It's a little storybook. Now, oh, here we go. It is made by Kane Miller. So I'll have to see. 50 cents. So this. It moves. You hear it? I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know. It's by Panda Crate. Kind of moves. Kind of sounds like a cow. Now, the next garage sale was more vintage stuff. I did pay up for these and I may have no, I'm sorry. I hope I didn't pay $3 for these. They had a $1 tag on them, but it says $3 right here. So hopefully when they rang me up, I only paid $1. But I liked this because it was in the original packaging, even though it's really old. These are little vinyl animals, and there's a whole little pack. So haven't researched them. Figured for $1 I would take a chance. Now, this was a 3-pack, or no, I'm sorry, $3 for the pack. Now, I have sold these before as, maybe not these ones, but cards like this that have the different pictures on them, and people use them for junk journaling and stuff like that. So I don't know about this one, but it's not in very good condition. What I saw that intrigued me was not the flashcards, but the G.I. Joe. And I did do a quick comp search on these. So I'll list those. I'll either list them or bring them to Whatnot. I haven't decided yet, but look how cute this is. So somebody could use these for junk journaling if they don't comp out very well. These are by Whitman, and they are definitely vintage. And this one is called Animal Rummy. So I don't know if they have animals on them, but this is also a Whitman. Definitely worth looking up. I'll make my money back on the G.I. Joe, and then I'll have to decide if I'm going to list them on eBay or bring them to Whatnot, to my This and That show. I am looking for items from garage sales to take to my This and That show because I haven't done a whole lot of those recently, and it's super fun. Now, I got this little bag of toys. I can't remember. They were either $1. I think they were $1 or $2. But the one that caught my eye in here was this little guy. And he is definitely vintage from, I think, the 90s. And then there's this car. So again, I'm going to have a toy show on Whatnot. So I'll decide if I'm going to bring these to eBay or Whatnot. Also picked up 3 sets of cufflinks. Now, cufflinks on Whatnot, they don't go super fast unless you have the right people in there. But these are in the original packaging, and they are by Swank, so they're signed with the original packaging, and these have a P on it. So these might appeal to somebody with the last name that starts with a P. These were $1 a piece. This one has the cufflinks and the tie bar. So that was $1. And this one was $1 as well. And this one is by Hickok, which is another men's cufflinks. So would I have picked these up for $1 a piece if they did not have the box? No, probably not. This I have not looked up. Some of the stuff I was trying to look up at the garage sale to see if I wanted to buy it, but I think this was 50 cents. And it's an old toy. I feel like it says something here, but I can't make it out. But it's an old squeaky toy. And some of these old vintage ones go for decent money. I don't know if this one does or not. But I figure someone is going to want it, either on eBay or on Whatnot. Oh, it's an Irwin, E-R-W-I-N. So, and the squeaky still works. This one here is Pinocchio, and I believe it might say Walt Disney or something, Walt Disney Productions, I think, on the bottom. And again, I don't know if this is going to eBay or Whatnot. If I don't pop up a picture of it on eBay, it's going to Whatnot because I'm trying to get ready for a toy show. This was $1. I don't know. It's a little rabbit and it's plastic. But I guess you just go like that and then it's cute, right? Super cute little vintage toy. I love selling toys because they're easy to find, easy to list, and easy to ship. This is a Surprisimals spider. I just had to grab it because it had the original tag on it. It's a little spider. And this is, I think this was $2 as well. And the reason I picked this up was for these little books, 1970. So these are collectible. And again, I'm not sure if I'm bringing these to Whatnot, to my ephemera show, or if I'm going to put these on eBay because I need to feed my eBay. I need to feed it. There's this one, and you'll want to look things like this up individually. Now, I do have duplicates of this one, it looks like. So I may put 1 or 2 on eBay and then maybe bring 1 or 2 to Whatnot. We'll see. And then there were also some little accessories in here. Now, the accessories are going to be hit and miss. This does say Hong Kong, and it's a flipper, so I'll probably look that up. And this one says, I'll have to use my magnification. I don't know if that says Japan, but definitely look for where they're from. Look at these little goggles. Not goggles, binoculars. So definitely little vintage Barbie pieces, and some of them can do very well. This might go to a play set, and you can part these things out. So gotta look those up. I'm pretty sure I paid $2 for that whole bag. And again, ephemera show, toy show, not really sure yet. But if you guys are not following me on Whatnot, come on over. I am Bolo Buddies over there, mostly doing jewelry, but I have an ephemera, a this and that, and I'm going to be doing a toy show soon. So I hope to see you guys over there. Let me know what you think about these items that are in this video. Are these things you would pick up or things you would just walk past? The lovies, love listing the lovies. So easy. And, oh, I got a couple more things. So I like to pick up these. They are flocked, which means they have like this fuzzy, fluffy stuff on them. This is a cat. Now, the problem is the little piece on the interior that holds the neck and makes the neck bobble is broken. So it's just sitting in there, but I still thought it was cute. And I paid 50 cents for that. Might have been a bad buy. I don't know. I'm going to look it up. And then I got this stone dolphin, which I think I'm going to bring this to Whatnot to my this and that show because I just thought it was super rad. And I paid $1 for it. Probably start this at $5. So it's not a huge profit. On Whatnot, it's more selling a lot of stuff over a short period of time, where eBay is the opposite. It's, is that? Might have a little chip on it, actually. See that right there? It looks a little rough. So I'll just disclose it and see if somebody still wants it. It's not bad. I mean, it still looks pretty good. But yeah, so Whatnot is more selling a lot of items at not your max profits like I would on eBay. So, which is hard for me because you guys know when I list on eBay, I list it high, list it and forget it, take offers, send offers, different things like that. On Whatnot, I almost start everything at $5 or less. Sometimes I do $10 or less depending on the show, and you just sell it and you hope for the best, right? Because it's auction style. But it's a lot of fun. I love it. So many of you guys have come over to the shows, and I thank you for that. Let me know which item I picked up that you thought was the coolest. And this haul behind me from today, I found 2 big money bolos that I'm so excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned for my next garage sale haul video coming soon. Thanks for being here, and I will see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.